Kensho with Satori. So it's not a Japanese comic thing, but it's a huge, insightful video what I'm going to share with you today in this video. So are you ready? One is growth by pain and one is growth by insight. So there are two things. One is pain, one is going to create you with insight. So hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. And today I'm just going to share by two important concepts from Japanese thing with which you can identify how do you need to how you can implement in your life and in particular in your financial life, right? So Kensho is Satori. This is something called growth by pain or growth by insight or learning. So let's look at growth by pain. So there are two concepts, right? So do you want to grow by pain or do you want to grow by insight? And even in financial life, this is the most important stuff. So let's go first learn about what is Kensho and how you can do that. Kensho is nothing but growth by pain. So you start a business and with all the energy and all the money you have, and you put your energy and money out and you are working day and night hard, and after 3 months you see that nothing is coming out. You are spending a lot of money on employees, operations and everything, but you're not taking money out. You're paying it to everybody, but you're not paying for yourself. And okay, you thought it will keep growing and you keep investing, and after again next 6 months, almost 9 months had gone, nothing is changing, and your situation is deteriorating. From money you are not having anything, it's deteriorating. So just look at what will happen. You are going through pain, and now you are deciding to shut it down. And after 3 months, when you look back, you know that last year what you did, and you will get lots of insights that why the hell did you start that business, because you didn't have any idea about that business, and after you started you got so many problems which didn't even occur. And I had just gone through all that pain because I just started a training institute without knowing how to do that, and all the groundworks we just started with lots of enthusiasm, lots of money and everything. But after 18 months we found that we miss the most important criteria of checking whether is it a viable business at that place, and found that it's not the case. And with online medias, online learning platforms coming up, there is no possibility for us to run that franchise business, and we shut it down during this COVID. So this is a huge insight which came to us, and because of which we are able to gain lots of insights about business. But the pain is still there. Because of this pain we got lots of insights, and after going through the pain, I got lots of insights on how to start a business and everything. Just think of this is called growing by pain. And this is like you work for 18 months and see that your business is not growing. In another scenario, you are investing 10,000 rupees, or just look at the example of 10 lakh, because I had seen so many friends losing money in trading in stock market. They are investing 10 lakh rupees in stock or trading in stock market, and within a span of a month they lose everything, and they feel that stock market is not for me, I lost, and that is not the money I need. It's not my name is not written in that money, I don't need that money. That is the kind of mindset they put it in their mind, and they're losing lots and lots of money. And they again come back, and but the insights, what the mistake they made, the trading part. Because I even invest traded in stock market in the initial period, I overcome it, and now I felt that I am feeling that trading is not my cup of tea, and I know I should do proper investing. Instead of looking at trading, I should look at investing in stock market instead of trading in stock market. I simply follow. This is the insight I got after losing 3 lakhs of money and several lakhs of money in all the wrong investment products. I found stock market is a product which is there for me, and I can grow more, increase my wealth and do my business after doing it correctly. So I got insights after going through the pain. I just told you two examples of starting a business where I went through the pain, and another business, another stock market investment where I lost lots of money. And you know that you may be the one who had you also be like me, like losing lots of money. Don't worry, it's like growing through pain. And another best example is learning by how to do by getting an insight of how others are doing, how others are implementing. Because when I came out of my job and I wanted to start my business, I thought I'll do this way, and it's a tedious and rigorous process. I need to become a salesperson literally to sell mutual funds. And I just wanted to pull people and be like, I become so insightful. I invested lots on my learning and knowledge, and how to do videos on over online, share my knowledge over online, and teach people what they want instead of what I want to push. I learned all these techniques from my mentors, Murli Sundaram, Siddharth, and Harvekar, and all these people. I should be thankful to Success Gyan and Surendran for teaching all these stuff through in a different way. And that gave me insight. I thought that this is the way to go forward instead of having a limited circle, because I can teach to more people, I can reach more people, I can share to more people. That is the only agenda I had when I was quitting. And once I reach more people, money will automatically come in, and money is a byproduct. That is what they told. And I like that idea. Go for reaching out to more people, share your knowledge, share your insights, and money will automatically come in. Don't focus on money, focus on what you want and what people want. Provide what people want, and money will automatically come in. It's a byproduct. So once I got that idea, I started working on it. This is called Satori. This is what most of the people will do. They'll get aha moment watching a video. They will get like, okay, let me do this stuff, and they will get lots of insights from that video or from that notebook, from that book, and they'll start working on it. I think so many people watching a video, watching a webinar, they started implementing the idea, and they are getting great insights. So are you someone who had got that kind of thing? That is called learning to earning. So because you learn and apply that learning and you earn, grow to the next level. This is like growing by insights. So now applying these two, both the techniques, how do you want to do? Growth by pain or growth by insight? So these two techniques by this is available in Zen Buddhism. This is what is Japanese people are teaching in Zen Buddhism, and Kensho with Satori. I love this concept. I thought we should apply it in a financial life. Do you want to learn the hard way? Because you invest for 20 years and 25 years and look at the investment what you did in a wrong policy, it's not going to fetch you, it's not going to help you for that particular goal, either for your retirement or for your kids education. All these are long term goals. But instead, how about learning about stock market, or learning about mutual funds, or learning about how to asset allocation, and grow your life, grow your finance, grow your wealth? That is the way, growing by insight. That is what is available throughout this video. Please like and subscribe my video in YouTube if you're watching it, so that I will be sharing lots of insights on all these things. So if you want to grow by insight, click the like button, share this video with your friends, and click the subscribe button in the YouTube, so that I keep providing and you can also keep growing by learning the insights from these videos. Thank you so much. Please comment like what you loved about this video, so I know these are the contents you like it, and I will provide similar kind of contents in a much better manner. Thank you so much for watching.